You missed one day, and now your brain is telling you it's over. It's not. You didn't break your habit. You didn't lose your progress. You didn't become someone who quits. You missed one day. That's it. Nothing more. But what you do in the next 24 hours, that's what actually decides everything. First, stop the shame spiral. Before anything else, before the plan, before the steps, before the comeback, you have to stop the story your brain is already writing. The story that says you're lazy, that you always do this, that you were never serious to begin with. That story is a lie. Research shows that 90% adherence is considered a success. That's 27 out of 30 days, which means you're allowed to miss 3 days in a month spread out and still be completely on track. One miss does not equal broken. You didn't fail. You're a human being. Life happened. You were sick or exhausted or something pulled you away. That is not failure. That is just Tuesday. The shame spiral is the real enemy, not the missed day. Why one miss won't kill your habit. Here's what's actually happening inside your brain right now. For every day you've been showing up, every workout, every page read, every quiet morning, your brain has been laying down neural pathways, building the architecture of who you're becoming. Missing one day weakens those pathways slightly, but they don't disappear. Missing 2 days? They start to break down in a meaningful way. Missing 3 or more, the internal narrative shifts. It stops being I missed and starts becoming I quit. That is the real danger, not the first miss. What happens next? The first miss is just a stumble. The second miss is a pattern. The third miss is a story you tell yourself about who you are. This is why the next 24 hours matter more than the last 30. The Never Miss Twice Recovery Protocol. This protocol has one goal: get you back completely by tomorrow. Not next week, not when you feel motivated again, not when the timing is better. Tomorrow. Step 1. Acknowledge without shame. Say this to yourself and mean it. I missed today. That's data, not failure. Tomorrow is mandatory. No guilt, no I'm a quitter story, no replaying what went wrong. Just the truth. You missed once. Now you recover. The acknowledgement is not weakness. It's the first move of someone who finishes things. Step 2. Make tomorrow mandatory. Not I'll try, not I'll probably, not I'll see how I feel. Tomorrow is non-negotiable. Right now, not after this video. Right now, block it in your calendar. Set the time. Make it specific. Text your accountability partner. Make a commitment that has some weight to it. Because the day after a miss is the most important day of your entire habit. This is the test, not the streak, the recovery. Anyone can show up when they feel good. The people who build real habits are the ones who show up the day after they didn't. Step 3. Remove all friction tonight. Tomorrow's success is built tonight. Make the habit impossible to skip. Lay out your clothes, fill your water bottle, put the book on your pillow, move your phone to another room, open the app to the right session. Every barrier you remove tonight is one less excuse tomorrow morning. Your future self, the tired, half-awake version of you who just woke up, doesn't want to make decisions, so make them now. Remove every reason to hesitate. Make tomorrow frictionless. Make it automatic. Make it so obvious that not doing it would feel strange. Step 4. Report in before you sleep. Tell someone. Tell an accountability partner, a friend, a family member, anyone. Say it clearly. I missed today. Tomorrow is mandatory. I've removed all friction. I'm executing at this time. If you have no one to tell, post it publicly. Write it in a comment. Say it out loud to yourself in a room. Research shows that commitment combined with visibility leads to 40% higher follow-through. You're not announcing failure. You're announcing your return. Don't skip this step. The ones who skip it are the ones who quietly give up. Step 5. The truth about streaks. Here's something the productivity world gets completely wrong. A perfect 30-day streak feels incredible, but it is not required for success. 27 out of 30 days is scientifically excellent. Your neural pathways are still forming. Your habit is still automating. 3 missed days spread across a full month, not consecutive but scattered, is completely fine. The only rule that matters is this: never miss twice in a row. 1 miss is a stumble. 2 misses in a row is the beginning of quitting. The streak doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be continuous in spirit. Progress is always greater than perfection. The person who shows up 27 times will always outgrow the person who quit on day 3 because the streak broke. Conclusion: you missed one day, and now you have a protocol. Acknowledge it without shame, make tomorrow non-negotiable, remove every barrier tonight, tell someone, and remember, 90% is success. The version of you that finishes this habit is not the version of you that never missed a day. It's the version of you that missed a day and came back anyway. That's who you're becoming. Now close this video, go set up tomorrow. Tonight is where the comeback begins. If this helped you, subscribe, because the next video is already waiting for you.